Hey y'all, here's how I turned my faux locks into braids. Step 1. I gently pulled my hair from the faux lock and then untied the faux lock from my hair. Step 2. I untwisted the faux lock, separated it, and best detangled it. This is probably the most tedious and time-consuming step of this whole process. Step 3. I unbraided my hair and moisturized from root to end. Step 4. I split the section in half and placed the faux lock in between. Using my hair as the middle braiding piece, I grabbed a small section of hair on both sides and added it to the other braiding pieces. Step 6. It's time to braid, honey. And if you are an undercover non-braider, I know there's some of y'all out there and you want to learn how to braid, don't worry, I have a braiding tutorial on my channel. Because my hair was already parted with the previous style, this saved me a lot of time when it came down to styling. Each section took me approximately 7 minutes, and overall this style took me 4 hours. Lastly, I dipped the braids in boiling hot water to increase their flexibility. Thank you all again for watching. Shout out to the creativity that this quarantine has brought upon me, because without that, I wouldn't have experimented turning my faux locks into braids. Either way, I love it. I hope you love it. I hope you loved this video. Please don't forget to comment down below, like this video, and subscribe to my channel. I'm here every Monday and Thursday. You can also catch me on Instagram at Dope Ethiopian, and I will see you all in my next video. Love y'all, and peace out.